Going to announce the next award.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, the special award winner for excellence in casting or forgings for railway applications. It goes to GG Automotive Gears. GG Automotive Gears, please. Anybody?
GGAG is the only company in India who's having back-to-back support of in-house quality forgings for Indian Railway, pinions and gears up to 100 kg. GGAG is in process to develop approx 30 to 40 different forging components of railways.
Good afternoon everyone. Myself Bhati from GG Automotive Gears Limited. We are situated in Dewas. From last 40 years we are serving to Indian Railways, and in back-to-back integration we started manufacturing of forging mainly for the railway applications. Now our forgings have been very well appreciated in all the railway applications, mainly for gears and pinions. Thank you once again for railway analysis and the jury. Thanks.